DJI has consistently set the benchmark for consumer drones, and the highly anticipated Mini 5 Pro is no exception. Recent leaks suggest that DJI remains on track to launch its next-generation mini drone later this year. However, despite speculation about a standard Mini 5 model or an early successor to the Mini 4 Pro, insiders confirm that such claims were premature.
In today's video,
Magnifying glass tilted left exclusive insights from leaker Hakasushi. Drone industry insider Hakasushi has provided fresh details on the DJI Mini 5 Pro nearly 5 months after the first rumors surfaced online. Here's what we now know. Mavic 4 Pro arrives first. DJI has officially announced the Mavic 4 Pro, scheduled to launch on May 13th as its next flagship drone. Mini 4 Pro will be replaced this year. The Mini 4 Pro, currently priced at $1,399 on Amazon, is expected to make way for the Mini 5 Pro before 2025 wraps up. No standard Mini 5 model yet. Contrary to earlier speculation, there is no sign that DJI is working on a cheaper, non-Pro Mini 5 variant at this time. Mini 5 Pro targets a September release. According to Hakasushi's reliable sources, DJI is aiming for a September 2025 launch, meaning concrete leaks could emerge as summer progresses. What innovations will the DJI Mini 5 Pro bring? The Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a significant upgrade in DJI's compact drone lineup. According to recent reports, it may introduce larger motors, potentially improving flight stability, wind resistance, and power efficiency. Additionally, optional propeller guards could be offered, catering to both beginner pilots and professionals looking for added safety in high-risk environments. Another exciting possibility is AI-powered smart flight modes, allowing for advanced obstacle avoidance, automated cinematic shots, and improved GPS-assisted positioning. DJI may also refine its transmission system to provide even more reliable long-distance video feeds, perfect for capturing breathtaking aerial footage. Satellite antennas. Stay tuned for the latest updates. As we edge closer to DJI's September timeframe, new leaks and official announcements are expected to surface. Whether you're a professional drone pilot, a hobbyist, or simply eager to see the next leap in aerial photography technology, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a must-watch release.